In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a login bar on your website. We'll start right from your website dashboard. First, choose the site you want to work on. This is the site where you'll add the login bar so visitors can sign in, access member-only areas, and participate in your community. Once you've selected the site, click on Edit Site to open the visual editor. Give it a moment to load so you can see your pages and design canvas. Inside the editor, look to the upper left corner for the plus sign. This is your shortcut to adding new elements to your site. Click on the plus sign and a panel will open with categories of items you can add. From that panel, click on Community. This section gathers all the tools that help you build member features, and that's where the login bar lives. Next, click on Login bar. You'll see a few design options so you can match the look and feel of your site. Select a login bar that aligns with your brand style, whether you want something minimal or a more prominent design with text and icons. After you've chosen it, place it on the right side of your header or the section where you want it to appear. Most visitors expect account controls on the upper right, so this placement improves usability. Use the alignment guides to snap it neatly into place and leave a bit of padding so it doesn't crowd your logo or navigation. Now click on Set Up Login Bar. This is where you configure how it behaves and looks. You'll be prompted to select a layout. Pick the layout that best fits your page structure. Compact options work well for simple headers, while fuller layouts can show profile images or welcome text for returning members. As you choose, keep readability and contrast in mind so the sign-in button and labels are easy to spot. Within the setup, you can fine-tune details like what text appears before and after login, whether to show an avatar, and how the drop-down behaves. If your site has member-only pages, make sure the login bar clearly signals where users can access their accounts. Test how it appears on different screen sizes so it stays accessible on mobile. Finally, remember that you can manage it also by clicking Manage Menu. This is where you'll adjust ongoing settings related to your community and member experience, such as updating display preferences, reviewing member activity, or refining permissions as your site grows. That's it. Your login bar is in place, styled to match your site, and ready to support your community.